Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, in this short video, I'm going to tell you how to complete a summary with the list of words which are given. Now over here, you can see there is a summary. This is the short passage, and over here we've got the words. Now you will find idea from here, then you will find a synonym word for those ideas, and then afterwards you got to just write the letter that contains that word. Anyways, let's take a start. Studies indicate that people generally focus on the dash of housing. It means it is an aspect of housing rather than on the physical dash or the dash. It means on physical two things people do not pay attention, and they generally focus or they generally pay attention to one thing of the housing. So we are going to find these three answers. Clear? Now we'll not read the words here. First we read the idea. Research shows when choosing a home, most people are keen. Now most people are keen means people generally focus. Most people are keen to find somewhere that is in the right place. Somewhere that is in the right place. Now we need to keep that in mind. Way, no. Features, no. Content, no. Stuffing, no. Movement, no. Location, yes. Somewhere that is in the right place. For that they use the word location. That is why F will be the answer to question number 22. Clear? Good job. Rather than on the physical dash or dash that is close to work or study or has easy access to public transport. Now, property consultants agree that cost aside, aspects such as the number or size of the rooms. Number one, the furniture, number. So they say here rather than on the physical dash. Now numbers and size of the room is something physical. Let's look for synonym for number or size of the rooms. Way, no. Features, yes. Number or size of the rooms, that comes in features. Otherwise content, stuffing, movement, principal, prices, pieces, and they said property consultants agree that cost aside. Cost aside means they don't care about price. Aspects such as the number or size of the room, that is actually features. So for question number 23, B will be the right answer. Clear? Good job. We cross it here. So or the dash. Now number or size of the rooms or the furniture. If the property is furnished. Now furniture. Way, no. Contents, maybe. Stuffing, not at all. Movement, not at all. Principal, not at all. Prices is already a trap. Pieces and furniture, no. It's actually the contents. So for 24, C will be the right answer. Clear? Good job. See that? Now we are left with fewer options. This general dash also applies to medical treatment. This general dash. See this general way, this general stuffing, not at all. Movement, no. Principal, oh yes, it can be. Principal or way. General prices will not be right because it's plural, that is singular. So in the same way, the medical care in hospitals, in the same way, the medical care in the hospital and the hospital's record on this. So in the same way, and this general way, no. Stuffing, no. Movement, no. Principle, yes. This general principle, and in the same way. So for question number 25, G will be the right answer. Gotcha? Okay, G is also gone. Next, patients note the quality of care rather than focusing on the level of dash at the hospital. Rather than means instead of. So the medical care in hospitals and the hospital record on this are far more important to patients than things like, now then means in comparison with, things like whether the latest drugs are being used or whether the number of nurses and doctors is considered exemplary. Number of doctors and nurses, number of nurses and doctors. Now see that movement, see patients note quality of care rather than focusing on the level of. Now level of, see that things like whether the latest drugs are being used or whether, now for latest drugs they did not say anything. Movement cannot match there, pieces cannot match, way cannot match, but when they say used or whether the number of nurses and doctors is considered exemplary. Number of nurses and doctors, that is staffing, because that is what we call staff. Even the nurses are called staff. So for question number 26, D will be the right answer. See, movement, way, pieces, they were the traps. If you like this video, share this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online live IELTS class, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Thank you very much. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.